Welcome back to Gadgets Lab. Today, we're diving into 10 of the most exciting and trending kitchen gadget numbers on Amazon that are designed to make cooking faster, easier, and way more fun. From futuristic tech to clever tools that simplify your kitchen routine, these gadget numbers are absolute game changers. Curious to see what's on the list? Stick around because you won't want to miss this lineup of innovative must-haves. Gadget number 1, hands-free motion sensor faucet. Kicking things off is a hands-free motion sensor faucet. Imagine being in the middle of cooking, hands covered in dough or sauce, and you can just wave your hand to turn the faucet on or off. In just half a second, you've got water flow without touching a single thing. It also comes with a flexible neck that lets you reach every corner of your sink, making cleanup a breeze. With 2 spray settings, one for filling and one for deep cleaning, this faucet takes convenience to a whole new level. Trust me, once you have this in your kitchen, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Gadget number 2, sushi making set with rice bazooka. Next up is the ultimate sushi making set, perfect for anyone who loves sushi but dreads the complicated prep. This set comes with bamboo mats, a sushi knife, and even a rice bazooka that makes rolling sushi fun and easy. Whether you're crafting California rolls or nigiri, this kit has everything you need to impress your guests with homemade sushi. Plus, it's beginner friendly and even includes a sushi cookbook and free ebook to help you master the art of sushi rolling in no time. Who's ready for a sushi night at home? Gadget number 3, electric citrus juicer with adjustable pulp control. Who doesn't love fresh squeezed juice in the morning? With the electric citrus juicer, whipping up fresh lemonade, orange juice, or even grapefruit juice is quicker and easier than ever. It features 2 reamers for different sized fruits, and you can adjust how much pulp you want with a simple dial. Whether you're making a single glass or juicing for a crowd, the large 34-ounce pitcher gets the job done. And cleanup? Super easy. If you're a fan of fresh juice, this one's for you. Gadget number 4, super automatic espresso machine. Are you a coffee lover? Then you need to check out this super automatic espresso machine that crafts 19 different coffee recipes at the push of a button. Lattes, cappuccinos, espressos, and more. You can fully customize the strength, temperature, and froth level to make every cup exactly how you like it. The intuitive touchscreen makes brewing effortless, and with its auto-cleaning function, maintaining it is just as easy. You'll be your own barista without the hassle. Gadget number 5, portable blender with USB-C charging. For those always on the go, the portable blender is a game changer. It's perfect for making smoothies, shakes, and even protein drinks, no matter where you are. Thanks to its patented turbojet technology, it crushes ice and frozen fruits effortlessly, giving you a smooth blend every time. With USB-C charging, you get up to 15 blends on a single charge, and it even has a self-cleaning feature for easy maintenance, perfect for anyone who wants to live a healthier lifestyle with zero fuss. Gadget number 6, rice dispenser. Next, let's talk about the rice dispenser. This is the ultimate gadget number for anyone who cooks rice regularly. It can hold up to 25 pounds of rice and dispenses it with just the press of a button. No more messy scooping or worrying about keeping your rice fresh. The airtight seal keeps pests out, and the clear window lets you see how much you have left. You can even use it for grains or legumes, making it super versatile and a great space saver in your kitchen. Gadget number 7, 3-stage knife sharpener. Let's face it, nothing's more frustrating than using a dull knife in the kitchen. That's why this 3-stage knife sharpener is a must-have. It has tungsten carbide blades for quick edge setting, ceramic blades for fine honing, and a special slot for sharpening scissors. Plus, the strong suction base means you can sharpen your knives safely without holding the tool down. This sharpener ensures your knives are always ready for action, and it's compact enough to fit in any kitchen drawer. Gadget number 8, automatic sensor trash can. Now, here's a gadget number that'll keep your kitchen clean and fresh. The automatic sensor trash can. With just a wave of your hand, the lid opens automatically, keeping things hygienic and hands-free. It even has a carbon filter to neutralize odors, which is a game changer for keeping your kitchen smelling fresh. With a 14-gallon capacity, it's big enough to handle all your kitchen waste without taking up too much space. Perfect for anyone who loves a clean, modern kitchen. Gadget number 9, smart wireless meat thermometer. If you're serious about cooking, the smart wireless meat thermometer is an absolute essential. This gadget number tracks the temperature of up to 3 different dishes at once, giving you precise readings for both the food and the cooking environment. With a long-range wireless connection, you can monitor everything from a distance, so you can focus on entertaining guests without worrying about overcooking your meal. And get this, a quick 10-minute charge gives you 40 hours of use. Gadget number 10, portable gas grill. Last but not least is the portable gas grill. This compact powerhouse features 2 10,000 BTU burners that heat up quickly quickly and evenly, making it perfect for outdoor barbecues, camping trips, or tailgating. The stainless steel design ensures durability, while its lightweight and compact size make it easy to transport. It's designed for quick setup in under 10 minutes and has adjustable heat control, so you can grill everything from burgers to steaks like a pro, no matter where you are. And there you have it, minus 10 trending kitchen gadget numbers on Amazon that are sure to change the way you cook and entertain. From hands-free faucets to smart meat thermometers, these gadget numbers are all about making your life easier and your time in the kitchen more enjoyable. Which one are you adding to your cart? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss out on more awesome gadget number recommendations from Gadget Numbers Lab. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.